properties of E cell. Properties of E cell. Properties of E cell, if you take number 1, like a del G only. E cell of backward reaction. E cell of backward reaction is equals to minus E cell of forward reaction. E cell of forward reaction. Simply, if A converting into A plus by loss of an electron, if E is equal to x volt, then A plus converting into A, E will be equals to minus x volt. Just like we studied no reduction potential value and oxidation potential. Oxidation potential is exactly equals to minus of reduction potential. That manner. Right. Next one. It is intensive thermodynamic property. Intensive thermodynamic property. Intensive thermodynamic property means what? Independent from the mass. Independent from the mass. Okay. So whatever mass you will take, it will not change. For example, A giving to A plus by loss of an electron, E is equal to x volt, means 2A gives to 2A plus 2 electron. Here E1 also will be same x volt. It is independent from the mass. Intensive property. Next one. Third one. It is non-additive property. Non-additive property. Non-additive property. Non-additive property means A gives to A plus by loss of one electron, E1 equals to x volt. Same way, A plus gives to A plus 2 by loss of an electron, E2 equals to y volt. Then E for A gives to A plus 2 is question mark. So generally we will add it. In del G what we have done, just we added. If you take like what becomes A gives to A plus by loss of an electron, E1 you have taken as a x, A plus gives to A plus 2 by loss of an electron, E2 is equal to y volt. If you add this both by cancelling similar factor, it becomes A gives to A plus 2 plus 2 electron. So this is E3. E3 is not equals to E1 plus E2. Nothing but E3 is not equals to x plus y, because it is not additive property. Del G is additive property, so when you added that, E3 becomes equal to E1, del G3 is equal to del G1 plus del G2. But E cell potential is non-additive property, you are not supposed to add. If not supposed to add, then how to find it actually? This E cell is a non-additive property, no? This non-additive property has to be converted into additive property. What is that additive property? Del G. What is the relation between del G and E cell? Del G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. So what I will write here, I will convert this all three into del G. So here A gives to A plus by loss of one electron, I will make del G 1. What is del G1 formula becomes NFE1. Next, A plus becomes into A plus 2 by loss of one more electron, which is del G2 I will take. So del G2 becomes minus NF E2. When you add this both reaction by cancelling similar factor, you will have the final equation A gives to A plus 2 by 2 electron, which is a del G3. So del G3 is ultimately equals to del G1 plus del G2. So what we write here, del G3 is equals to del G1 plus del G2. Or else, here you can write del G3 is equal to minus NF E3. So we need E3 value only. A2, A plus 1, E1 given. A plus 2, A plus 2, E2 given. And we need A2, A plus 2, E3 needed. So now, if you want E3, we have E1, E2 value. So that is del G3 equals to del G1 plus del G2 because del G is additive property. So what is the del G3 expression we have written here? Minus NF E3 is equals to del G1. Del G1 expression is minus NF E1 plus minus NF E2. This is. So here N is equal to number of electrons participated. F is equals to 96500 coulombs. E is cell potential. So here N for the del G3. Del G3 for this how many electrons involving? 2 involving. So what you can write? Minus 2F E3 is equal to second N first step. Del G1 purpose N is equal to 1. So it becomes minus F E1 plus here also N. For second step also how many electrons involving? 1. So minus 1 F E2. So this minus F, if you take this side, it becomes 2E3 is equal to E1 plus E2. So E3 equals to E1 plus E2 by 2. So E1, E2 values what is given in the question? E1 value is X, E2 value is Y. So your answer becomes X plus Y by 2 is the E3. It is non-additive property. Since it is non-additive property, you have to convert it as additive property and you should find. If you add directly, what is our answer? X plus Y supposed to be. But it's wrong. Because E cell is non-additive property, so convert it into additive property. After converting into additive property, what is the E3 value is coming? X plus Y by 2. Similar pattern, one question for better understanding. Mn converted into MnO2 and MnO2 converted into MnO4 minus. For first one, E1 is equal to X, E2 is equals to Y. Then what is E for Mn gives to MnO4 minus? This is the question. So what is supposed to do? First equation, right? Mn converting into MnO2. How many electrons will have involved in this case? Calculate their oxidation state. If you calculate oxidation state, 0, 0, 2 plus 4. So nothing but 4 electrons are participated. So plus 4 electron, this is del G1 you consider. You are not supposed to add directly. Reason it is non-additive property. So I am converting into additive property purpose, del G1 I have taken. So what is the del G1 expression becomes minus NF E1. So E1 value we have X, that is. Later we will substitute. Next, MnO2 converting into MnO4 minus. I am sorry, it is MnO2, first step. Here it is converting MnO4 minus. Here it is plus 4 converted into plus 7. How many electrons participated? 3 electron. So you can write plus 3 electron, which is del G2 is equal to minus NF E2. Okay. Now what is our required equation? Mn2 direct MnO4 minus. Means you have to add this both equation. The similar factors cancel, that is MnO2 cancelled. Then what is remain? Mn gives to MnO4 minus plus 4 plus 3, 7 electrons are participating, which is called del G3. Del G3 is equal to minus NfE3. So our required value is what? E3. So E3 has to find. So directly don't add that E3 is equal to E1 plus E2. Del G's we have to add. So what it become? Del G3 is equals to del G1 plus del G2. It is minus NfE3 is equals to minus NfE1 plus minus NfE2. So n values you can take. For this last step, how many electrons? 7. For first step electrons, 4. Second step electrons, 3. So what we can write here? F however get cancelled. Faraday's is cancelled. Then your answer will be minus 7E3 is equals to minus, first step how many electron? 4. 4E1 minus 3E2. If you simplify further, it becomes E3 is equal to 4E1 plus 3E2 by 7. So what is the E1? X. So it becomes 4x plus 3y by 7 is the answer for the E3. So like this we can calculate E side when non-additive properties. Okay.